We just hit the first stage of our compounding. As you can see here, it is absolutely fucked. Here is nice and
Not so fucked.
yeah, not so fucked.
All right, we're gonna try out this black. Really should be wet sanded, but we're gonna see what this heavy cut can do.
Yeah, it should work pretty nicely, I'd imagine.
Stay tuned. That's some nice technique.
Thank you. Self-taught.
Really? You didn't go to school for that? Pretty good. Can still see oxidation up here. Should really be sanded, but what do you think about it?
It's pretty good. Here's the comparison though, what we just did